Welcome back, guys. How's everybody doing? It's been such a long time since I've made a video. I'm finally back in the garage. Got the car behind me, and I've got a little bit of an update on just some cosmetic stuff that I've been wanting to do for the longest. We're going to make this a nice, short, and sweet video, and check it out. I bought this carbon fiber tube protector, right? It came a lot longer than this. I already started doing this. But yeah, to protect my roll cage. I used to have, on the driver's side, some stickers on the roll bar itself, well, the cage, the door bars, right along here to protect as my foot would come over, right? I'm not the skinniest guy, so it's a little tough for me to suck it in and flex. So my foot and the sneaker and my shoe would always rub along the part of the roll bar or the door bar. So I had some stickers along here, kind of sticker bombed it for a bit. And yeah, that's what protected my roll cage. So I bought that carbon fiber tube protector to put on the driver's side. I don't know if you guys can see. So I've got the first one on over there. Basically what I did was, this tube protector, which was about the length of this tube here, got it from Jegs, as you can see, right about that length. You can cut them with a set of tin snips. It cuts nice and flat and straight, right? I measured that part of my door bar, right? So the door bar here, I measured, right? Everyone's going to be a little different, but I measured this section here. I cut it. I rounded out the edges nice and neat, right? And then, believe it or not, what I used to secure it is some Honda Bond, right? I've took a couple dabs of Honda Bond everywhere. All I had to do was smush this into place, and then I keep it secure with some tape until the Honda Bond cures. Now, remember how I said I had stickers? Well, the sticker pulled up some paint. So what I'm doing here is I've got some touch-up paint, and I've got it kind of drying right now. It's still a little tacky, just trying to cover up some spots where the tube protector or the roll bar protector won't cover, right? So I've got to sand this down a little bit, make it nice and neat, then polish it. Same thing with this side right here. Polish that up a little bit. I measured my piece already and I have it cut. So now, if you can see, I've got my piece cut already. I've rounded the edges, right, that I cut with the tin snips. And basically what's going to happen is this piece here, real deal carbon fiber, is going to go just like this right up here. Right? So ultimately that will be how it looks when I open my door. Right? And now my roll bar is protected not only from my shoe and from my belt or whatever else might be contacting this end here when I make my way into the car. I like it. It looks good. Carbon fiber is always so nice, right? So this is going to be super dope once done. Let me finish this stuff up. I'll put some Honda Bond on this, and then we'll secure it. Got the carbon piece with all the Honda Bond on it. Yes, I overdid it. But yeah, touched up some paint. Now I'm going to push this on and cover up what I have. I'm just going to take a quick look, make sure that everything looks decent. Now I'm going to push this down. And now I need a second hand in a minute so I can put this tape on. So right, it's held in place. The Honda Bond is holding it good. So now all I need to do is take some tape that I had, come from the bottom, and just wrap around to secure it in place until it dries. That looks pretty straight, maybe a little twisty just like that. Now that is it, folks. Parts are in. Now I'm just gonna let these dry and then we'll take a look at them later. And let's check out this finished product. Bam, there we go. Nice carbon fiber pieces. covering the door bar, so now when I go in and out, of the sedan, I protect the door bars. Looking good. I really like this. Looks really nice from this angle. Offers loads of protection, super lightweight, and come on, how could you be mad with carbon fiber? All right, guys, it's all done. Roll bars are protected, and it looks great. So real quick video, like I said, thanks so much for tuning in. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.